Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a flowchart in Miro using Miro AI. Whether you're mapping a business process, planning a project, or organizing ideas, Miro makes it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Miro in your web browser and sign into your account. Then, create a new board or open an existing one where you want to build your flowchart. Once your board is open, look at the left-hand toolbar and click Create with AI. A prompt window will appear. Describe the flowchart you want Miro AI to create. For example, you can type Create a flowchart for a project approval process. After entering your prompt, click Enter and wait a few seconds while Miro AI creates the diagram. When the flowchart appears on your board, review the generated steps and connections. You can click on any shape to edit the text, move elements around, or add new steps. To customize the flowchart, use the formatting options to change colors, fonts, sizes, and line styles. This helps match the flowchart to your project's requirements. If Miro AI doesn't generate a flowchart automatically, you can manually create one by using the Shapes tool from the left toolbar. Add process boxes, decision diamonds, and connectors to build your own flowchart from scratch. Once you're happy with your flowchart, save your board. You can also export it as an image or PDF or share the board with your team for collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully created a flowchart in Miro using AI and manual editing tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.